There is so much distress in the world at the moment, so much stress, and the stress comes out in different ways in different people. It could be, you know, just an overly active mind, feeling like we can't cope, we're overwhelmed. For other people, it's stomach issues, aggravated pains in their body. You know, then we can end up feeling depressed and it's all too much. There's so many expressions of stress individual to each person. So when I've taught you this technique, we'll also be able to look at which is the best way for you to use it. Do you need to use it on overeating? Do you need to use it on a lack of sleep? Do you need to use it on your chronic pain? Do you need to use it on fears that come up before you have to do certain things? You know, there's just a myriad of different ways that it can be used once you understand the actual technique really well. And it's actually very simple and very effective.